What's up, y'all? Back in the 540 as always. Today we're gonna paint match a front lip. Actually, I'll show you guys in a minute. I gotta go pick up the paint right now, but yeah, I was debating on leaving it black or painting it, but I wanted to paint it because it looked cooler, I guess. All right, we made it back to the crib now. We got our paint and we got our sandpaper. Check it out. We got the front lip. I gotta unwrap it, obviously. I did not go for the Haman style like everybody goes for. I just didn't like how it like swoops up right there, you know what I mean? I think it looks kind of dumb. All right, front lip's kind of mocked up. I think I will raise the front just because I don't want to fucking destroy this thing if I'm gonna paint it and make it look cool. I would leave it black, but nothing else really goes with it. Like, I don't have side skirts or anything, so I think paint matching is the move. First, I gotta remove this protective film. Oh, yeah. Okay, now we're gonna start with the sanding. Now that sanding is complete, we move on to adhesion promoter. So when painting on plastic, you gotta promote that adhesion. Okay, so we got 3 coats on, and I did single stage paint, so I don't actually have to use clear coat. And yeah, so I gotta let this dry basically overnight, and we'll throw it on tomorrow. But it is looking pretty freaking nice, brother. A lot better than my bumpers did, which I will eventually redo. Okay, I just did my brakes, which I did in another video, which I probably already posted. But I'm gonna raise the car while I'm here so I don't destroy this perfectly nice, pretty painted lip that I just spent so long making. So yeah, we're gonna raise it. These coilovers kind of suck, guys. I don't know if you can tell. Okay, ride height's adjusted, and if it's good, we're gonna come back, throw the lip on. Yes, sir. I'd say that's good enough. What do we think? It's all right. See, I gotta do all the 3M tape and all that good stuff, so let's get to it. Provide enough double-sided tape. This should do, though. The fitment of this thing is kind of iffy, as you can see, but looks pretty cool if you ask me. Nice. Okay, I'm gonna send it, guys. Just gonna fucking straight up just send it. now I'm just self-tapping this Johnson on. Got him right here. I'm not gonna lie, I can't really film this. So I'm just gonna do it and I'll show you guys the finished product. Okay, it's like mega late right now. I just spent so long trying to fucking get this just fitted perfectly. In the process, I chipped some paint right there, so I just sprayed over it real quick. But gosh, dude, this is so difficult. This eBay lip is just, you know, it's not gonna fit perfect. But anyways, I'm gonna drop it and see what it looks like now. So let's see. Let's see how she looks. Oh yeah, that was worth the effort. Let's be honest. Damn, son. Check it out. Check it out. Here it is in all its glory. Paint matched front lip is on. I got more double-sided tape to secure it better, but dude, this shit looks sick. This looks sick, man. Apart from the eBay, you know, fitment problems, as you'd expect, I'd say it turned out pretty good.
3 weeks later.
What do you think of that? Is it nice?
It's mint.
Yeah, we gotta get our supplies to fix that. That's so sad. What are you talking about? Yeah, I'm smoothing it out the best I can. I'm gonna glue it back together, repaint it. It's kind of annoying, but you know, it is what it is. All right, we've made some progress here. Yeah, check out this switch ollie though. Okay, it's been a little bit since I refixed the front lip. Didn't really film it because we were just messing around, you know, me and the boys. But I had to body fill it and repaint it, obviously, and I got primer on the bumper. Sick right there too. It's really bad, but the lip looks okay. You can kind of tell up close some spots that I didn't quite fill very well, but that's fine. From here, however, it looks perfectly fine. But yeah, I mean, I plan to get another bumper anyways because it's messed up. I hit the coyote, the paint's bad. I mean, it's all bad. You know how it is. Yo, so to end off this video, my boy Tanner's pulling up. We're gonna do a photo shoot with both my cars, which I've been wanting to do for a very long time. I'm gonna give him a clean little wash real quick, and then we might go on a drive after that. I wanna try to drive his Miata, maybe get some clips of that. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and clean up the cars, wait for him to pull up, and go get some photos. We got Tanner in the 335. There's his Miata. I'm gonna get some photos now, see how they go turn out.
Sick dude.
I know. We met the homie right here.
I was gone, my camera.
Dude, this looks crazy. Sick.
Hell yeah, buddy.
Sick.
Sick.
Look at him go. Dude, he is moving. That looks... Dude, he is old. This looks crazy. Sneak peek.
Timeshare twin.
Dude, this looks crazy. I'm not even gonna lie. All the hard work and money for this, I guess. Chat, is it worth it? Comment down below. Is it worth it? All the pain and the stress to look cool in the parking lot. Look at that John, dude. Now we're gonna hop in this. Go to In-N-Out. Yes, sir. Oh! We don't need no motherfucking hop on this.
You didn't know when you tried this?
Bro, the ground is fucking right there, dude. I'm gonna get a Miata. Yeah, you hear that? Yeah. It's on a cute day right now.
Thanks for recording.
Yes. Alright guys, we're in the Miata. This is the best car I've ever driven. Second best. Not Civic SI is number one.
on!
Thing. Are you fucking
What the
kidding?
fuck? Dude.
Dude, this is good on this box.
Dude, you gotta get the tunnel run in right now. There's a tunnel. You're also in the turn
I'm
lane.
in the turn lane. Look at me go, bro.
Tunnel run. Oh yeah.
A little bit of
Yeah.
front of gas. It's whatever.
It's whatever.
It's cool.
Yeah. Oh. Oh. This guy knows how to drive his Miata. That's for sure.
Come on, brother.
Later. There he goes. Flying Miata. And that was 15 miles an hour right there. All right, to finish off this video, I'm going to show you the photos that my friend took. And yeah, so thank you for watching. If you've made it this far into the video, hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Stick around for the next one. I have a lot of stuff coming for this car right here and some other stuff. So yeah, thank you.